Now let's see how flashcards look in mobile version. If you are using mobile, the design is changed for flashcards. You will see small icons here, but there is no text on the buttons. So what does this mean? This is let's go button, this is a replay button, and this is settings, and this is results. If I click on settings, you will see set number of questions, digits, speed, everything you can see. Save changes. Now if you want to start, just click on this and it starts. 71, 34, 22. Answer is 127. If you want to go to next one, just click on this or click enter. Okay, if you want to replay anything, click this one and you will see number of questions solved and timer here. I'm replaying, so this is a replay symbol. Yeah, so in this way you can practice flashcards on mobile.